Hello, my name is Brandon Waringa, and I chose to do my final research presentation on the psychologist Harry Harlow. Harry Harlow, born Harry Israel, was born on October 31st, 1905 in Fairfield, Iowa. He died at the age of 76 years old on December 6, 1981 in Tucson, Arizona. He attended Reed College in Portland, Oregon for 1 year, and after passing a special aptitude test, he enrolled at Stanford University, where he started out as an English major. However, his grades were so bad that after one semester he switched to the study of psychology. In 1930, he earned his PhD in psychology and later changed his last name from Israel to Harlow. Harry immediately became interested in studying a topic that was not so easy to quantify and measure. That topic was love. Harlow noted that very little attention had been devoted to the experimental research of love. At the time, most observations were largely philosophical and anecdotal. He left us with this quote: "Because of the dearth of experimentation, theories about the fundamental nature of affection have evolved at the level of observation, intuition, and discerning guesswork, whether these have been proposed by psychologists, sociologists, or anthropologists, physicians, or psychoanalysts. Many of the existing theories of love centered on the idea that the earliest attachment between a mother and child were merely a means for the child to obtain food, relieve thirst, and avoid pain. However, Harlow believed that this behavioral view of mother-child attachments was an inadequate explanation." Harlow's fascination with love led to a series of controversial experiments conducted during the 1960s, where Harlow demonstrated the powerful effects of love and, in particular, the absence of love. His work demonstrated the devastating effects of deprivation on young rhesus monkeys. His research revealed the importance of a caregiver's love for healthy childhood development. Harlow's experiments were often unethical and shockingly cruel, yet they uncovered fundamental truths that have influenced our understanding of child development. This came in the form of the wire mother experiment. His most famous experiment involved giving rhesus monkeys a choice between two different mothers. One was made of soft terry cloth but provided no food. The other was made of wire but provided nourishment from an attached baby bottle. Harlow removed young monkeys from their natural mothers a few hours after birth and let them be raised by these mother surrogates. The experiment demonstrated that the baby monkeys spent significantly more time with their cloth mother than that of their wire mother. In other words, the infant monkeys went to the wire mother only for food, but preferred to spend their time with the soft, comforting cloth mother when they were not eating. Harlow concluded that affection was the primary force behind the need for closeness. Later research demonstrated that young monkeys would also turn to their cloth mother surrogates for comfort and security. Such work revealed that affectionate bonds were critical for development. Harlow utilized a strange situation technique, which allowed young monkeys to explore a room either in the presence of their surrogate mother or in her absence. Monkeys who were with their cloth mothers would use her as a secure base to explore the room. When the surrogate mothers were removed from the room, the effects were dramatic. The young monkeys no longer had their secure base for exploration and would often freeze up, crouch, rock, scream, and even cry. It's really quite sad. This experiment offered definitive proof that love is vital for normal childhood development. Additional experiments by Harlow revealed the long-term devastation caused by deprivation, leading to profound psychological and emotional stress and even death. Harlow's work helped influence key changes in how orphanages, adoption agencies, social service groups, and child care providers approached the care of children. His work led to acclaim and generated a wealth of research on love, affection, and interpersonal relationships. However, his own personal life was marked by conflict. After the terminal illness of his wife, he became engulfed by alcoholism and depression, eventually becoming estranged from his own children. His colleagues frequently described him as being sarcastic, mean-spirited, chauvinistic, and cruel. Despite the turmoil that marked his later personal life, Harlow's enduring legacy reinforced the importance of emotional support, affection, and love in the development of children. In conclusion, Harlow's work was controversial in his own time and continues to draw criticism today. While such experiments present major ethical dilemmas, his work helped inspire a shift in the way we think about children in development and has helped researchers better understand both the nature and importance of love. Here is a list of my references, and thank you for listening.